Hey everyone, I want to do a quick walk around of my 23 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. Just a real brief, quick walk around and overview. Not an in-depth review, that'll be later when we get a chance. You can kind of see, generally what we have going on with my rig. It's a 2023 TRD off-road with a Alu-cab Khaya Camper on the back with some goodies in it. Moving to the interior of the truck real quick, we have full rear seat delete by Goose Gear, with the 4 storage containers underneath. Like I said, the full rear seat delete. Other than that, it's basically stock inside, aside from the Wolfram review camera and like taco garage mounts and a couple other storage options that I've added in here and there, seat covers and floor mats and such. But that's the big upgrade on the inside, is that Goose Gear. We have the Sherpa Grand Teton mount on top with my ARB Tread Pros. You can see the camper there in the background. It is on a Old Man Emu suspension lift, Method racing wheels, Falcon Wild Peaks. Moving to the back, you can see the camper, the 270-degree awning here, storage on the sides. We'll get into more of that in a later video. Molly panels on the back. This is just a full slide-in camper. It slides in, removable by 2 people probably in like 30 minutes. Throw it on a pallet. Full diesel heater, power, water, heated water, a shower cube there on the side, propane, cook stove, the whole works. Like I said, this is just a brief walk around of the 2023 TRD off-road, and there'll be more to follow with an in-depth review. Just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of what's to come and what vehicle will be in the videos. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll be back soon. Thanks.